Come here. Namaskar. Namaskar. एक जन जरा जी आप से एक come. Come. Please come. So welcome to our very illustrious alumni of IMA and their friends, because we believe that all said and done, our alumni are the very major stakeholder in what we are trying to do. So we were just discussing that what are the things that can be done to reduce the transition cost of the startups, student startups. And one of the ideas that we have just now discussed is that can there be a clearinghouse where their demand for software, their coders, demand for fabrication can be put up, and somebody who has facilities for that can offer to provide that at a low cost, so that a clearinghouse in real time emerges. I need tomorrow 5 coders, I have to provide some fulfill some order, is somebody available? And then there are companies which may say we have a slack in this week, we can take some extra load, and let's provide that support to the startup. So I think that's a very good thought. We will do that. Any other support? Yes.
सर आपने जो बताया ना कि बैंकिंग के साथ कोलैबोरेशन वो ऑलरेडी है कुछ गवर्नमेंट संस्थाओं के साथ, लेकिन वो लोग कोऑपरेट नहीं करते सर।
नहीं करते हैं।
इट्स माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस 6 संस्थाओं का है।
बताओ एक दो लाइन और बताओ।
DIC है, NSIC है, EDI है, वो लोग स्टार्टिंग फंड अलाउ करते हैं 25,000 to 5 lakhs, बट दे आर नो कॉर्पोरेट बॉस।
क्या सवाल आता है? सवाल बताओ क्या बताते हैं?
तो सर फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैं 6 सेम में था ना, तब जब स्टार्टअप करने के लिए मैंने उनका कांटेक्ट किया, तो उन्होंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला कि आपका कंपनी रजिस्टर्ड है, आपका वेट नंबर है, आपका ये है, आपका पेटेंट है, तो हम 5 लाख के या 6 लाख तक का फंड दे सकते हैं। अभी स्टार्टअप ही है तो कहाँ से इतना सब मतलब रजिस्ट्रेशन वगैरह होगा, क्योंकि उसमें भी 35,000 तो सिर्फ टैक्स रजिस्ट्रेशन के चले जाते हैं। तो उसके बाद फिर रॉ मटेरियल का, अगर रॉ मटेरियल का वो लोग बोलते, हम रॉ मटेरियल का बोलते तो वो लोग बोलेंगे कि रॉ मटेरियल का हमने आपको पैसा दे दिया, तो आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं, आपने रॉ मटेरियल बिगाड़ दिया, तो उसका पैसा हमें कौन देगा? अगर आपके पास मशीनरी नहीं है तो हम किस बेस पे आपको लोन दें? अगर आपके पास मॉर्गेज है तो हम लोन देंगे। अभी जो भी पर्सन है उसके पास स्टार्टअप फंड नहीं होगा, तो ऑब्वियसली ये संस्थाओं का जो इन लोगों को ही गवर्नमेंट ने बिठा है, तो वो लोग नहीं काम करते। अगर मेरे पास मॉर्गेज होता है तो मुझे कोई भी बैंक के पास जाने की ऐसे ज़रूरत ही नहीं होगी।
ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हो। ये पूरे देश को सुनना पड़ेगा इस बात को कि अगर हम लोगों ने कोई मर्यादाएं बनाई हैं और उन मर्यादाओं में ऐसा बांधा है लोगों को कि वो ऐसे सवाल पूछेंगे स्टार्टअप से, तो निश्चय ही वो प्रोग्राम वो योजना कभी सफल नहीं हो पाएगी।
ऐसा है, हाथ में घड़ियाल है लेकिन समय हमारा नहीं है।
होगा, ऐसा दिन आएगा। हाँ,
सिमिलर केस था मेरे साथ। महाराष्ट्र में मैंने DIC में 25 लाख का लोन अप्लाई किया, तो मेरे घर के अगेंस्ट, खेत के अगेंस्ट 25 लाख का जो अपना खाली ग्रामोद्योग मंडल है, तो मेन बॉडी है खाली ग्रामोद्योग की, उन्होंने 25 लाख सैंक्शन कर दिए। पूरा पैटर्न या फिर इनोवेशन सब देखा, पूरी स्ट्रैटेजी देखी, 25 लाख सैंक्शन कर दिए। हाँ, उसके बाद उन्होंने लेटर भेजा कैनरा बैंक को, तो कैनरा बैंक के जो मेन ब्रांच मैनेजर थे उनसे मैं मिला, तो उन्होंने बोला कि मतलब अमाउंट बड़ी है तो थोड़ा ऊपर बोलना पड़ेगा। तो उन्होंने एक हफ्ते बाद बोला, तो एक हफ्ते बाद गया तो बोल रहे कि इंटरनल इश्यूज है, हम कुछ बता नहीं सकते, आपका लोन सैंक्शन नहीं हो सकता। तो इतनी बड़ी ऊपर की अथॉरिटी बोल रही है आपको इस बंदे को 25 लाख लोन दीजिए, फिर भी बैंक वाला नहीं बोलता कि मैं आपको नहीं दे सकता। तो मैं नहीं समझ रहा।
ठीक है, बट वी हैव टू एड्रेस। नहीं, वो नहीं है, नहीं, वो करेक्ट है, वो दे आर नॉट बॉस, बट दे आर द रिकमेंडिंग अथॉरिटी, बिकॉज दे विल गिव सब्सिडी और दे विल गिव सम इंटरेस्ट फ्री सब्सिडी और समथिंग। यस, इज देयर अ सक्सेसफुल एग्जांपल, समबडी जस्ट गॉट लाइक दिस? आप एक मिनट रुक जाइए। एनीबडी, एनी स्टार्टअप हु गॉट क्विकली विदाउट हैसल? हाँ बताओ। तुम्हारा तो यार पहुंच बहुत है, लेकिन तुम्हारे हाथ बड़े लंबे हैं यार, लोग घबराते हैं तुमसे यार। तुम तो अब सबको मालूम है तुम कहाँ बैठते हो, कहाँ उठते हो यार, पता नहीं अब उसका फर्क तो पड़ा होगा थोड़ा सा शायद, है नहीं? पड़ा होगा।
I don't know. but yeah, it happened like when I was student here, and I had to purchase some equipments and all when I was starting. So I needed some 25 lakhs of investment. I went to ICICI Bank and a lot of other banks. They wanted me 3 years of balance sheet, income statement and all. I didn't have, I just registered my organization at the time. And I won't be having anyway, 3 years of balance sheet, income statement and all. So finally I reached out to SBI. We say it's the slowest bank of India, but to me it turned out to be the fastest bank,
State Bank should be listening to this.
Yes.
The slowest bank of India turned out to be the fastest bank of
Yes.
India.
So,
3 cheers for State Bank.
So I applied and I went and met to the officers over there, not of course at the branch level, because branch level if you go, you'll face the problems. So went and met to CGM or DGM level, and then explained my idea. This is what I want to do, and I got it sanctioned within 15 days.
Wonderful,
So that's
wonderful,
a-
wonderful. We really celebrate this spirit of State Bank, and it's a national bank, it's a central bank, I mean one of the premier bank of our country, oldest bank of our country. So it's good. We will definitely like to tell State Bank that they should mentor the other bankers. Maybe that's the way this
Yes,
can be done, because
And it happened like when I met the officers, they were so much inspired that they took me to take a lecture to their chief managers.
wonderful.
So it was state level chief managers, some conference was going on. I went there and spoke, and then they asked which branch can basically give loan to this idea. And couple of people were ready, sir, we can sanction. So
Very
it was
good.
handpicked very easily.
That is a good thought. So what we will have to do is, there is a state level bankers committee, there is a district level bankers committee.
Yes.
We'll have to invite, I will write to the finance
So
minister on
basically,
that.
what was the take home? That
good point.
reaching out to the right person.
No, but
Because
that
if
is
you-
one. But second thing, you
Yeah.
are also saying that if in these meetings, SLBC takes place once a year, the district level takes place once in 3 months, and this is a district level coordination committee for banking sector, banking and development departments. So if they invite some entrepreneurs and listen to their problems, perhaps the banking system may become more responsive. No matter how many circulars we get issued, but unless the man on the action point
Yeah.
starts, थोड़ा संवेदना उसमें नहीं आएगी तो वो शायद नहीं कर पाएगा. So it's a good point.
case, there was a revenue model. Most
Yeah.
of the startups don't have a revenue model.
Not much of
So
problem.
it becomes difficult for banks.
Correct. Yes, please.
Sir, one of our experience I want to share, with our idea of organic food and beverages, we went to iCreate Venture Studio. So they were counter questioning us, how many team members you have, what is your revenue model, what are the 5-year plan from now. So you have to come up with big idea, like crores of rupees, so then only we will find. And most important thing which we don't like while starting a startup, you have to come with our incubation center and 3-month course, then you think over that we will incubate you. And so that idea, we have already started, we are in the market, we know the market reality. So we don't want that
Let
process
me do a
things.
poll on this. How many of you who have done some enterprise, who have started or run an enterprise, believe that there is a need for a training program? You have not run an enterprise, but you have run one. You believe that there is a need for training? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many of you who have run an enterprise believe there is no need for training? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There is a divided opinion. Okay. No, it's okay. They have their reasons. We will not spend too much time on that. What we will do is that we should have an option. Those who want to have a program to expose them to the challenges of a startup should have that option. Those who don't, it should not be compulsory. What I am getting the message is, it should not be compulsory. We should assess, and if the person concerned can answer good questions, the fellow is on the dot in terms of basic information, then we should let that person start without any orientation. So that's yes.
We have been working on our startup for a year now,
Hmm.
and pretty good, successful. Crossed the break even last to last month. But the 1 year of research and pains that we took to set it up, and then 1 year of execution. We've gone through all those financial or other crises, and now when we look back, we know where we went wrong, what could have been better to lessen this period. So one is a well-streamlined process for registering your company. Singapore 1 day, US 3 days, Australia 2 days. Why do we need about 70 days? Then getting investors or angel
Prime Minister should be listening to this. If it takes 70 days in India to register a company, there is something fundamentally flawed in our Make in India aspiration, because we want Make in India, everybody wants that in the country. And then if you take 70 days to register a company, I remember, just 1 second, I will interrupt you. British Deputy High Commissioner was sitting in Kerala, in Kochi. We had a conference of startups and entrepreneurs in Kerala. He was making a declaration on the panel that in 2.5 hours you can register a company sitting in India with Indian team, with Indian product, Indian market, but you can register it in London or in England to get the benefits of their legal and regulatory process in 2.5 3 hours. That's it, online. I was amazed that a country which is trying to invite entrepreneurs doesn't insist that you must come there and stay there. He says, no, in virtual world we don't care, wherever you are. So there is a point that you are making. Yes, yes.
Next is there should be a good panel of accountants, CAs, and legal advisors for startups.
Yes, good point. I think I will have to talk to Chartered Accountant Association, ICAI. सर आपको सोचना पड़ेगा इसके बारे में, लोकल चैप्टर को भी सोचना पड़ेगा. I will talk to the Calcutta people also, because once they had written to me, we will talk to them, because they were wanting at that time a policy for agriculture entrepreneurship. But somehow we didn't go very far with that, but the idea came to them in Kolkata. So we should think about whether there can be a consortium of chartered accountants who can create a help desk and a helpline, a cooperative venture. I mean, various chartered accountants can come together. I mean, there are large companies in Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad tops the CA exams all the time. We produce some of the best chartered accountants in the country. So help desk, which can be run by the Association of the Chartered Accountants, is a very good point. And similarly, we will request the legal people, they should run a help desk for the startups. We will like to do this within this month. Within this month, we will start in Ahmedabad at least a help desk, both legal help desk and a accountancy help desk. And you know where we will give you space? Under the bridge here, just opposite IMA. Is that right? You know, we have already talked to AMC. Tomorrow or day after we are going to get that space. We will give you space to sit here. So, it is a public place right opposite IMA under the flyover. Our students are running 2 clinics there. One is education for the underprivileged children and teachers, and second is a mentoring site for a help desk for the micro entrepreneurs. So, we will do that. We will give you a desk there. No need to look for any other place, and it is accessible to everybody. So, problem solved. And we have enough flyovers everywhere in the country. Please reserve some of the places under the flyover for entrepreneurial ecosystem. We are appealing, and I am sure we will write that, because that space belongs to people. That is the people's place. I mean, this is a space for people. We will do that. Yes, next third point.
And one more is looking for VCs and angel investors. Why is it so hard here now?
Yes.
Even if it's a little amount, say when we have enough money and it's a okay 10,000, 20,000, I have extra, I want to give to some special startup. There should be a platform where it's easy to reach the right startup.
You know what we need to do is I don't know, but you should think about it, Amal, that we can have a bond, social bonds, no return bonds. I am willing to be on the board of such a bond, where we issue bonds to people and we can get some tax concession for that. This bond will mobilize resources from private individuals for 5 years lock-in period. You can get after 3 years withdrawal, but then you don't get benefit like your saving bank. Only thing is here you are not getting any interest. That is the contribution you are getting for the startups. So, interest on the bond is being used for supporting the startups, and your capital will be back after 5 years if you keep it for 5 years lock-in, something of that kind. Let us propose that, and we would like to central government, it might think about. So, basically what we are losing is little income that the government is losing on the tax on the interest. That is all they are losing. They are not losing anything else. Huh? So what we can do is therefore that we can use this interest. If we create a bond and raise, let us say 100 or 200 or 500 crores, and use the interest on that to invest in ideas of the startups, we can have a viable window actually. And then more people, when they see results, more people will buy these bonds, and it will become a show off. I mean, how many bonds do you have of this startup bonds? So this could be one way in which we can possibly mediate. Yes, exactly. So we can have a bank, nationalized bank, which will be trustee, so that everything is due diligence, every transparency, everything is above board. Yeah, that's something like that. Okay, good. What's your name?
Vidya. Vidya.
Vidya has triggered good thoughts. I'm happy that, you know what, you should also write down your problems. Every startup should write down, send it to us. We will share with everybody, but we'll also put it on the website so that it becomes easier for others to understand not only what the problems are, but also how to solve them. And the peer learning from each other is very important. Okay, next please. We are looking at now, when you have an idea, you have to convert into proof of concept. At that time, you need a lot of things. You need a workshop, those for hard technologies. You need regulatory approvals. You need some funding, because some cost is there for fabrication. You're not absolutely clear about what the specs are. You don't have a balance sheet. You don't have any 3 years income tax statement. You have nothing to show for yourself, and you don't have collateral. Under such condition, what kind of support we need to provide to these startups? That's what we're discussing just now. Yes.
So I think so one of the basic things which I think I've gone through the whole entire scenario which you just described, and I think making the incubation system strong is necessary in India, because they are also those those are the institutions we basically, people like us, they put their trust on, to jump into it, leaving our cushy jobs and having no kind of social security. What would happen, say 3 or 4 years down the line. So having making that incubation system strong, that is very necessary, because otherwise you are just creating false hopes for people like a lot of young people.
No, so I couldn't follow. So what exactly is your recommendation? Let me tell you one thing, and I am going to say something radical, which is very close to my heart. I was avoiding it because I thought somebody will say, but now that you have said it, I am thinking that we need to move beyond. We need to provide incubation support, but not create incubators. We need to have sanctuaries of innovation. The difference between incubator and sanctuary is, in incubator there is a chaos outside, order inside. In a sanctuary there is a chaos inside, order outside. So for creative purposes, we should give as much freedom as possible to a startup, as much freedom, a long rope, let them hang themselves with that if they want to, but a long rope. They are special people, their need for autonomy is very high, they want lot of freedom and flexibility. Now, there are not too many. I mean, there is less than a percent of the population, fraction of a percent of the population. So therefore, if we can't give freedom and autonomy to even such small number of people in the country, I don't think we will really go very far. So I see your point.
So at NIT we have this saying that control kills creativity.
Correct.
And that's something like I would say that our company is one of the most incubated companies probably in the city of Ahmedabad, or probably in the country also. We've been incubated probably by 4 or 5 such places.
Name them. Name them. Name them. Name them. I'm not saying you shame them, but just name them.
NIT, CIIE, then at Indian Angel Network as well. They actually had to return our shares because they couldn't help us.
Okay.
So tool room as well. They wanted to start up with something, but didn't have.
What's your name again?
So my name is Abhinav.
And your enterprise was?
So we work on ultra low cost transport solutions for rural areas.
That vehicle that you were driving,
yes.
all terrain vehicle.
Yeah.
Okay. And you got it done finally?
Well, we are yet to commercialize it. We are yet to get to market, but we are still we are just about to do it.
Okay. Okay. Now it's a very important point that what value are we adding? I will not like to name anybody. You can name, but I will not name. I know that many of the people in these systems are asking questions about how much equity they will get, how much return they will get, what kind of stake. I believe, and we have started a small SIF at Sashti.org, a small social innovation fund with 22 lakh rupees, and the first round is with no question asked, and that is what our alumni Himal and his team did. No question asked, first round, forget it if it does not come back, but we are letting you go ahead with what you do. No agreement, no stamp paper, nothing to it. I think startups deserve that kind of support, which is what you have done. No, I am telling you that. I mean, if you want to add something on that.
Even innovative managers, they need to be fearless. There would be people, they lose money, they probably have to run into losing their jobs also, but they have to be as fearless as the incubatees.
I completely agree with you. Risk-averse professors and risk-averse managers cannot promote entrepreneurship.
Absolutely.
Agree. Absolutely agreed. Unless you are willing to take risk yourself, and you have never taken risk in your life, how can you promote entrepreneurship?
Yeah, and most of the people, who I have come across, they were, they were never of the kind who would have actually gone beyond.
I see your point. I see your point. It's a very difficult question to answer because where would we get such people? But still, I think if there's any need for training, it is need for training for the incubator managers. I mean, they need to be trained to take risk and understand this. I see your point. I completely see your point. Yes, and then I'll come to you.
Yes,
Yes.
what I feel is that mostly on the same note, that a few investors invest in a startup because they want equity, because they want money from that. Other investors just invest in every startup they see, some investors. And a few investors are very choosy. What I believe is that in all of these, if we have a platform where we can identify a startup which has the ability to communicate properly its idea and which has an idea that is phenomenal, then we'll not just have a bunch of startups. We'll have a bunch of startups that are actually good. Because what I believe is that if there are 100 startups, only 5 or 10 of them will become the next level startups. And if you want something like that next level, I believe, sir, that just giving them a space, or just giving them a space to work, or just giving them fund will not be sufficient unless and until if we can identify if their idea
But
can
there's only
be a future.
one small reservation about what you said just
Yes.
now. I believe in the long tail of innovation. You know about long tail of innovation? So, if you have a long tail of innovation, in the long tail of innovation, there are few ideas which will sell in millions. Few in 10,000, few in 100, few in dozen, few in 1 or 2, and few none at all. If we focus only on the top peak of this curve, we will miss the whole ecosystem. We are not going to have this country ever becoming entrepreneurial. And I have heard it so often from people, we want next Google, we want next Microsoft. Damn it, you will never get them. They don't know how many acquisitions Microsoft did. Hotmail was acquired by Microsoft, right?
Right.
They didn't make it. I mean, 80% of the functionalities that they have, they acquired from startups. It is the startups who created those things. They merely aggregated them. So, please understand, we need to create a space even for those ideas which will meet either niche based needs or localized needs. We should not always talk about only big things.
Right.
I mean, the big can become killer of small and relevant, and we should avoid that. So, we should not get into that wave which many people I have heard talking about. If it can't scale up, it is not good enough. I mean, scale cannot become enemy of sustainability. I have argued it repeatedly. Not everything needs to scale up. Supposing you are working on a disease which affects 10,000 people.
Okay.
Do we want to scale up the disease first to be able to sell the drug? Tell me. We should have 100,000 people suffering from the disease so that I can sell that medicine to 100,000 people. सही है ना? क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग यार? ऐसा नहीं चाहिए हमको. If there are 10,000 people suffering from that, we will like some entrepreneur to come up who will say, I want to solve the problem of these 10,000 people. And I am happy about that.
So when I say about a phenomenal idea, what I mean is that
No, I see your point. I am just saying that you should appreciate that phenomenal ideas for those 10,000 people.
Yes.
That's a phenomenal idea that
Yes,
somebody solved that
exactly.
problem.
Exactly.
Don't look at it how hard 100 million people think.
Yes.
Those 10,000 people will bless you if you solve that problem, right?
yes, yes.
Okay, Dangaj, please.
Well, I clearly see that we should have a multi-pronged approach.
Yeah.
When you are looking at the startup, you will be having many stages. Here we are today talking about obviously the people who require seed fund, seed mentorship. Now that is different than somebody who is in the venture capital space. That is different than the angel funding space.
Correct.
That is different than the private equity space.
Correct.
तो जिस तरीके से जिंदगी के अलग अलग आयाम हैं, आप बात कर रहे हैं ऐसे लोगों की who are either infant or children. जब बच्चों की बात करते हैं तो बच्चों के एंगल से आप सोचिए कि क्या चाहिए, और उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्रश्न पूछ रहे हैं. बैंकर्स आर आस्किंग एंड ऑल ऑफ द पीपल आर आस्किंग अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. That is, as a matter of fact, to kill the startup instinct, the startup kind of a philosophy that we want to follow. So we at IIMAA thought that we should support people with small finances and give a very heavy dosage and very heavy support on the mentorship, which can be in a variety of spaces. The mentorship is required in designing, in prototyping, in probably looking at the markets, in financing. There are all kinds of facets. The body is made of various components and अलग-अलग अवयवों से शरीर बना है. तो पूरा शरीर चाहिए तो हाथ भी चाहिए, पैर भी चाहिए, दिमाग भी चाहिए, सब कुछ चाहिए. तो आपको इस तरह के मेंटर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट काम करने के लिए आपके लिए 24/7 IIMA की तरफ से तैयार हैं. दूसरे भी अलमनाई एसोसिएशन बाहर भी तैयार हैं. So trust based support which does not involve any kind of protocol to be written down on paper. किसी तरह के जो है कागजात, किसी तरह के दस्तावेज की ज़रूरत नहीं है. देखा ये ठीक लगता है, छोटी मोटी रकम है, 25,000 50,000 लाख रुपया, इट्स नॉट अ बिग अमाउंट. और इस तरह के करने वाले लोग बैठे हुए हैं. सो आवर टास्क इज टू कनेक्ट people who want to render this kind of a help, who want to be part of this ecosystem. And again, I'm talking about startup, because after you go from startup to the next, that is, you are talking about some kind of an angel funding. The startup of this kind, these trust-based startups, will become the starting point for many of the angel funds. Please appreciate there are a whole lot of angel funds that are coming up now. IAN, Indian Angel Network, Bombay Angel Network, there are hundreds and hundreds of them that are going to come up, because people are now seeing investment in new ventures, new enterprises as one of the portfolios. Portfolio investment जो करते हैं उसका एक पोर्शन करके लोग देख रहे हैं. People think that it can give very good return. So this particular thing that we have started or thought of doing under IIMA banner is to give these small finances, alumni association, which is going to be given to people who are deserving startups, but without the burden of anything in writing, without any burden of seeking a return on this, without expecting anything. It's meant for losing. Let's understand, it's meant for losing. उसमें से कोई गेन नहीं है, कोई नुकसान नहीं है, होगा सो होगा. उस एटीट्यूड से 10, 15, 20 लाख करोड़ 2 करोड़ हो जाएंगे, वो ठीक है. दैट्स नंबर 1. Number 2, I would like to submit that I wish that all of us try to keep government as much away as possible.
Okay.
I'm sorry to say, but this is what I would like to do. तो हम लोग खुद ही करें, तो that is going to be better.
Okay, now there are 2 more questions, pointed questions. One, how many of you faced problem in testing and certification of your products from the approved labs? Okay, what was the experience of testing and approval? Yes. What kind of facilities you need?
Facilities like they want our own processing house where we produce. That should be certified, and if we are trading those
very
products.
Very important point.
So
लिखो भाई, कोई लिख रहा है इस बात को, please write down that you need. If you are outsourcing, they are not certifying then?
No, they are subcontracting that. Like.
So in that case, they will not certify you. Did they say that?
No, no, they will certify.
The subcontractor.
Yeah, subcontractor.
Okay. So just like in your pharma sector. Anything else on this?
No.
Okay, next person on certification, only on certification.
Yeah, so certification is prohibitive for a smaller player. It's like
Tell
only the
me
big guy
exact
can
example.
do it. Yeah, so certifying a commercial vehicle in India takes 45 lakh rupees.
At
ARAI or
ARAI
ICAT I used to work with, so you know I actually know the whole
you're right,
process.
You're right,
about
I know them. Yes.
Yeah, so you know it's like the only.
So your
big guy
idea
can do
is
it.
that if you have a vehicle which goes through where the specs can be audited by an auto association, and when they say that the specs are interesting, worth looking in, then the fees would be paid by a national fund of some kind. Is it right? That's what we are proposing.
Not just fund, but it can be say deferred for a while.
Okay, all right.
Or you know the agency should be able to take that risk. Okay, these guys may not be able to pay. You know,
No,
then
so since it's a private association, ARAI is a private body, somebody needs to pay them. Either they should reduce the rate or somebody should pay them. Something will have to be done for that. Okay. Well, see, these are matter of detail, but some question is either third party payment where the government does it or CSR, whosoever, or the certifying agency defers it or waives it. These are the 3 possibilities. Yes.
For my product, I am producing this solar products. Okay. तो उसके लिए MNRE से अप्रूवल चाहिए. अगर मुझे मेरे कस्टमर्स को सब्सिडी देनी हो तो 30% सब्सिडी वो लोग देते हैं. ठीक है. अभी ये केस में उन लोगों ने सभी स्टेट की सब्सिडी अलग दी है. इफ गुजरात है तो उसमें 30%, राजस्थान है तो 60%, असम है तो 80%. तो अभी इस केस में इन लोगों को एक कोई भी एक स्टेबल स्टेट बनाना और उसके बाद क्या है कि हम अपनी प्रोडक्ट स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, तो उसको पहले लेबोरेटरी में देना होगा, तो प्रोडक्ट का 20,000 खर्चा वहाँ टेस्टिंग का देना पड़ता है। उसके बाद अगर वो लोग का कुछ नहीं हुआ तो
एडा में, बड़ौदा में एडा में कराया होगा ना तुमने?
नहीं, आनंद में,
अच्छा, आनंद में,
स्पेरी में, ठीक है।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
और अगर हम स्टार्टअप कर रहे हैं तो हमने सोचा कि इतना फंड नहीं है हमारे पास, तो हमने MNRE से पूछा कि अगर इस केस में हम आगे बढ़ना चाहते हो, तो उन्होंने बोला कि आप अपनी नोडल एजेंसी थ्रू सब्सिडी अप्लाई कर सकते हो। तो उधर हमने अप्लाई किया, हमारे पास कोई रिप्लाई नहीं है, ठीक है। तो इस केस में अगर हमें डायरेक्ट कुछ सपोर्ट मिले गवर्नमेंट से तो हो सकता है, अदरवाइज क्या होगा कि हमें मतलब ये जो इस फील्ड में हमें काम करना है वो फील्ड हमें छोड़ना पड़ेगा।
I mean, I heard this because other day Sharad also mentioned, please, that with all said and done, the nodal agencies either have their antenna in some other direction, but they are not meeting such people. I don't know why. I'm hearing second time. Yes. हाँ, बताओ। सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए क्या क्या चैलेंजेस हैं?
सबसे पहला सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए यही चैलेंज होता था कि अगर आपको MNRE में चाहिए तो सबसे पहले आपको फाइनेंशियल प्रूव करना है कि ओके आप फाइनेंशियली इतने मतलब कि आपके पास इतना
नहीं, वो सर्टिफिकेशन तो प्रोडक्ट का हो रहा है ना यार।
हाँ सर, नहीं सर, MNRE में ये है, अगर आपको MNRE का सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए तो ओके आपका प्रोडक्ट का तो हो गया, उसके बाद MNRE में आपको चैनल पार्टनर बनने के लिए आपको ये सब डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करवाना है।
अच्छा, क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं?
अगर छोटा प्रोजेक्ट डालता हूँ तो उसके लिए अगर उन लोगों ने मतलब पॉलिसी बनाई है कि अगर आप MNRE अप्रूव्ड चीज़ें यूज़ करते हो तो आप एप्लीकेबल हो सब्सिडी के लिए इफ़ यू आर सिस्टम इंटीग्रेटर नॉट अ मैन्युफैक्चरर, क्योंकि ये बड़े प्लांट होते हैं पैनल के, वो 20 करोड़ से नीचे नहीं होते हैं, तो उतना तो हम स्टार्टअप नहीं कर सकते। तो इसके लिए हम अप्लाई करते हैं तो वो लोग कोई रिप्लाई नहीं देते, नहीं, यू हैव टू अप्लाई थ्रू दी कंपनी। अगर कंपनी अप्लाई करेगी तो वो सब्सिडी हमें फॉरवर्ड नहीं होगी, तो हमें जो वर्क करना है।
इकरा का रजिस्ट्रेशन चाहिए वही 75,000 रुपीज़ होता है।
75,000
रुपीज़
सर, वो तो अभी उन लोगों ने निकाल दी, वो जो एजेंसीज थी वो तो सब निकल गई बीच में से।
दैट इज ओनली ऑन द सोलर वाटर हीटर्स, अभी सोलर फोटोवोल्टिक्स में वो चीज़ है सर। एक्चुअली ये चीज़ है कि सर इन लोगों ने
नजदीक ले लो। हाँ, नहीं भाई,
हाँ सर, एक्चुअली इशू ये है कि जो सब्सिडी के लिए उन लोगों ने चैनल पार्टनर बनाया, उन लोगों को पैसा तो नहीं मिलता है, ओके, बट वो लोग कहते हैं कि ओके हम लोगों ने आपको 30% दे दिया। अभी वो जो कहने वाली बात है ना, वो भी हम लोग नहीं कह सकते। दैट इज द ओनली इशू विद दैट। ओके, सब्सिडी तो सबको पता है कि नहीं आने वाली, किसी की नहीं आई आज तक, तो वो तो नहीं आई है सर, तो वो तो इस सबको पता है।
2 साल से काम कर रहा हूं सर।
हाँ,
2 साल से काम कर रहा हूं।
2009
कोई नहीं आई सब्सिडी।
सर, अगर मुझे मिलती तो आज मेरा यूनिट 30% प्लस प्रॉफिट में होता।
तो सर एक्चुअली ये होता है सर कि
लुक एट दिस
सर,
MNRE में आपको 3 बरस से सब्सिडी नहीं दी जा रही है
सर बाय 2009।
वहाँ के जो नीचे के लोगों को ये कह दिया है कि कोई आए लेकर एप्लीकेशन को धक्के मार के निकालो।
हाँ,
ये बढ़िया, आपको जो स्वागत वहाँ होगा।
सही है सर, सही है।
नहीं, लेकिन आई नीड a written document। मुझे लिख के दीजिए ये बातें। I will make sure that it goes to the right level।
सर देन वो लोग क्लियर क्यों करते हैं आपके पास? अभी अगर MNRE की साइड तो उस पे उन लोगों ने फंड डिक्लेयर किया है नाबार्ड को, अभी 3 महीने पहले वाटर हीटर और सबका, तो फंड डिक्लेयर हो रहा है, तो क्यों मतलब मैन्युफैक्चरर के
नहीं, मैं बात करूंगा। नहीं, ठीक है,
मैन्युफैक्चरर के पास तो नहीं
दैट इज बी कंस्ट्रक्टिव। आप और बताओ, और कोई इशू?
सर इसमें ये इशू है कि जिसके पास लाइसेंस है वो एक्सीडेंट करता है, तो मतलब कि जो लोग चैनल पार्टनर के लाइसेंस, सर सिर्फ राजकोट में अगर आप रियल डेटा देखें, आई बीन इन MNRE, तो सर सिर्फ राजकोट में 60 लाख वाटर हीटर ऑन पेपर लगे हुए हैं, 60 लाख लोग नहीं रहते हैं राजकोट में। सो दिस काइंड ऑफ द इश्यूज ऑलरेडी देयर।
तो कहाँ जाते हैं फिर वो?
सर ये होता है कि अगर मैं आपको वाटर हीटर सेल करूंगा तो और 1 साल में अगर आपका वाटर हीटर लीक हो गया है तो मैं आपको बोलूंगा कि सर मैं आपको टंकी तो फ्री में दे दूंगा, बट आपको बिल नए का मिलेगा। दैट मीन्स आई विल अप्रूव द 60% सब्सिडी ऑन सिंगल वाटर हीटर्स।
ओहो,
तो यही होता है सर, जिन लोगों जो चैनल पार्टनर है उन लोगों को यही फायदा लेके जाता है।
आई सी। देखो भाई, ऐसा है, आज ही मैं सुबह एंटी करप्शन की दौड़ में दौड़ के आया हूँ है भाई, और वैसे नहीं कि आज ही दौड़ के आया हूँ, लेकिन आज तो दौड़ के आया ही हूँ 6:30 बजे। और मेरा आपसे अनुरोध है कि यार भ्रष्टाचार में तो कभी कंप्रोमाइज़ करना मत, किसी को रिश्वत तो मत देना यार, इतना मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा। थोड़ी ज़िंदगी मुश्किल होगी और हम लोग टाइम लगाएंगे आपके साथ, आपके कागज़ों को ऊपर तक पहुँचाएंगे, मिनिस्टर से बात करेंगे, प्रधानमंत्री से बात करेंगे, अखबार में लिखूंगा, सब कुछ करूँगा, लेकिन मतलब किसी को रिश्वत मत देना भाई।
सर मुश्किलों में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन अंदर एंट्री नहीं देते तो क्या करेंगे?
रिश्वत मत देना, फिर भी यार रिश्वत मत देना, धरने पे बैठ जाओ, वहाँ पर कुछ भी कर लो, रिश्वत मत देना।
एक आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ सर, आपको मेरे पास प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट भी है। अगर आपको पता हो तो थोड़े मतलब 3 महीने पहले एक राजकोट का इश्यू था रिसाइकल का, बहुत न्यूज़ में भी आया था और उसका बहुत बड़ा इश्यू हुआ था। तभी मैंने एक प्रोजेक्ट मतलब एक मशीन डिज़ाइन किया है उसके लिए, रिसाइकल के लिए। मैंने उनको ऑफ़र किया कि आपको जिस कंपनी ने उस कंपनी ने इंडिया में 25 जगह के प्लांट लगाया था और करीबन 2200 करोड़ का फ्रॉड किया गवर्नमेंट के साथ, ठीक है। तो उनको सभी फंड दिए थे और 3 साल से वो कंपनी काम भी नहीं कर रही थी। हमें पता था क्योंकि हम बाहर से उसकी पोजीशन देख रहे थे जाके, और हम जब उसके गेट तक जा रहे थे ना तो वो लोग बोले थे भाई ये प्रोहिबिटेड एरिया है, यू आर नॉट अलाउड, ठीक है। तो मैंने उन लोगों को ये प्रोजेक्ट एक अलग डिज़ाइन करके दिया कि 3 करोड़ रुपए में ये आप पूरा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हो, ठीक है। और वो कॉरपोरेशन के लिए कोई बड़ी अमाउंट नहीं है, ठीक है। वो लोग 60 लाख रुपए फेंसिंग के लिए खर्च कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन 3 करोड़ रुपए प्रोजेक्ट या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए नहीं कर सकते हैं। वहाँ पे जो विलेज है ना उसका शायद से 150 एकड़ ज़मीन फेल हो गया है एग्रीकल्चर, और उन लोगों ने बहुत ट्राई किया, ठीक है, और फिर भी अभी कोई दूसरा प्लांट आ रहा है, पता नहीं वो लोग।
ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इशू है, we will take it up.
और यहाँ पे भी सर वो पीराना जो एरिया है वहाँ पे भी उतना बड़ा, लेकिन उसका कोई ऑन पेपर सभी बातें हो रही है।
नहीं और बताइए।
वही तो सर।
अच्छा लास्ट बिफोर वी ब्रेक फॉर क्या भाई हमें लंच के लिए 5-10 मिनट्स, ओके 1:30 ऑलराइट। और कोई नया पॉइंट है? दो तीन चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पर। एक तो ये था कि डू वी नीड टू क्रिएट ए पब्लिक क्लाउड स्पेस ऑफ इंडिया टू प्रोवाइड फॉर ऑनलाइन ERP सॉल्यूशन अदर थिंग्स फॉर द स्टार्टअप्स? इज देयर ए नीड फॉर दैट? जरूरत है क्या? हाँ
ओके। और अगर हम लोग गुजरात में ही देखें तो सर देर आर इंडस्ट्रियल जोन लाइक वटवा, नरोड़ा, अंकलेश्वर, वापी, और हर एक का स्पेसिफिक है। अगर लाइक वटवा इज द बेस्ट फॉर प्लास्टिक एंड केमिकल, ओके, और हर एक के लिए पास उन लोगों का खुद का एक एसोसिएशन का बिल्डिंग बनाया हुआ है, ओके, अच्छे खासा पैसे डाल के, और पूरे साल में वो कभी यूज़ नहीं होता है। साल में 2-3 फंक्शन होते हैं उसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं, बाकी पड़ा रहता है। क्यों ना सर एसोसिएशन को ये अपील की जाए कि वो उसको स्टार्टअप्स के लिए ओपन कर।
बढ़िया बात। मैं वटवा में तो करा ही दूंगा इस काम को, बाकी का मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन मैं क्या नाम उनका भाई, अपने पटवारी जी, पटवारी को बोलते हैं ये बात तो यार। तुम बताओ कितने लोग हैं जाने के लिए वहाँ पर पटवारी?
सर बहुत सारे, जैसे कि अगर कोई बंदा प्लास्टिक में काम करता है तो उसके
हैं कुछ लोग।
हाँ सर बहुत सारे लोग तो
नहीं हैं क्या? लिस्ट बताओ मेरे को। अगर 10-5 लोग हैं तो उनको जगह तो मैं इसी हफ्ते में दिलवा दूंगा।
ओके सर, वो
तो हो जाएगा काम, क्योंकि दिस इज आई नो द पर्सन, ही इज वेरी हेल्पफुल, he will definitely extend his help, he will welcome them, not only that he will give you so much knowledge है उनके क्लस्टर में, उनके पास लोगों की, कि वो सारी मेंटरिंग भी आपको मिलेगी साथ में।
Exactly सर, वहीं पे जो अगर टेस्टिंग लैब होती है तो
सब कुछ देंगे वो, सब कुछ है उनके पास। They have created one of the best facility in our country in Vatwa।
हाँ सर, अगर GCCI अगर मान जाता है गुजरात चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स, तो सर ये तो बहुत इजी काम है, ये बहुत ही फटाफट।
चलो ठीक है, हाँ सबके पास बिल्डिंग्स हैं। चलो ठीक है। हाँ भाई, हाँ माइक दे दो।
डेवलपमेंट सेंटर्स का है वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी स्पेस, एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गुजरात इज रेडी टू टाई अप विथ अवर गिजिया एसोसिएशंस, एंड डॉक्यूमेंटेशन प्रोसेस अभी चल रही है, सो वी ऑलरेडी आर गोइंग इन दिस वे।
वेरी गुड, दैट्स द राइट डायरेक्शन। यस, हाँ माइक दो। या
2 points on the stage where entrepreneurs or innovators are just starting, and the from idea to proof of concept stage. One was social security. So probably when you said need of autonomy, so giving or binding this with the social security by making them innovation ambassadors or making them local heroes can really solve the problem, and that's our experience basically, and that will motivate families. So just one experience that one of team member who joined Science Per Society initially and left Kirloskar, the parents were worried, and next month when they saw them on ABP Mazda, that's the news channel, and they were happy with that, and the question in their mind of what's my kid doing is left. So
very good point.
So that gives the social security, and that's very important.
That is manageable. At least in Gujarat we can manage this. We can tell media to cover various startup stories. That is easily possible. But I don't know, but I know people मतलब कोशिश करें. This is a very good point that parents need to overcome their anxiety. They come from middle class most of the time. They have struggled in their life. They have seen insecurities. वो राशन की लाइन में खड़े हुए थे यार, तुमको पता नहीं है उस ज़माने में जो था केरोसिन भी नहीं मिलता था बाज़ार में, तो उसके लिए भी लाइन में खड़ा होना पड़ता था, 1 किलो चीनी के लिए भी खड़ा होना पड़ता था। तो वो जब उन्होंने वो दिन देखे हैं तो उनको लगता है, वो दिल में उनके रहता है एक फीलिंग कि मेरे बच्चे को कभी तकलीफ नहीं हो जाए इस तरह की, तो उनकी तकलीफ को भी समझो, मतलब उनका नज़रिया गलत नहीं है, बट द सजेशन यू आर मेकिंग इज़ वंडरफुल, आई लाइक दिस.
And the second point of presenting the innovation, I guess somewhere we are really lagging on it, either in terms of videos or prototypes or making them appeal when people see it. And I guess that is the need that innovators should take care of rather than, absolutely putting points on others that people want this thing and that. But this is something that in being innovative, we should do something for this. And I guess designers are the real people who can solve this problem. But again, designers are very costly.
Very costly.
They are
The
very
most costly professional in the country is designer.
Yeah.
नहीं ठीक बात, वो तो जानते हैं, हमको भी मालूम है, लेकिन ये तो बात तुम्हारी बिल्कुल सही है. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की डिज़ाइन एंजल्स बनाने की, कि जो लोग कहेंगे कि यार हम इन्वेस्ट करेंगे और आपके जब सफल हो जाएगा हम रिकवर कर लेंगे. दैट इज़ व्हाट डिज़ाइन एंजल मीन्स, दैट इज़ व्हाट चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी एंजल मीन्स, दैट इज़ व्हाट लॉयर एंजल मीन्स, कि भाई हम लोग इन्वेस्ट करेंगे अपना टाइम और इसकी वैल्यू इतनी है, या तो जब तुम्हारा पैसा आए तो पे कर देना, और नहीं तो हमको अगर हमारे पैसे हमारे को डिज़ाइन की कंटिन्यू ज़रूरत पर तुमको पड़े तो हमें इतना 2% 3% जितनी है इक्विटी दे देना, ठीक है कि नहीं. सो दैट कुड पॉसिबली solve this problem, but so far अभी हम सफल नहीं हुए इसके अंदर.
I did two things for this. One, I was requiring to do have slider or for the mobile app and design for website. The designers were costing me around 35-40K at least for those things, and I negotiated. I tried with different designers. Then simple thing I did, I picked up one local artist. He made sketches for me. I make it digital and use that. So that cost me around 5K. So even he got something for his pocket, and I could achieve my task. Second thing that we did, we associated with MIT Institute of Design Pune.
Yes.
And we got the students for as an intern, and we also associated some projects to their student as an industry project. And absolutely, we got very high quality and very good quality brochures and video films that we are making right now.
Good point. Good point. Yes.
I don't know whether this is the right platform to tell that one. Like many of the startups, successful startups from my college, I saw that after registering their company in India, they are suffering huge taxes, like 34-35%. We are also doing the same thing right in our startup. So after some 3-4 years, they are shifting their company to the Singapore, where the taxes is something 8%. So I'd like to request, of course, to government, like this is the case, because we are starting, we are making India, but all our economy is going to other countries where taxation is very less. So if you can do that one, then whole economy we can bring back to India in some or the other way.
All right. And for innovation-based enterprises, we will appeal. We will appeal. I can assure you that this suggestion will definitely reach the finance minister through our students who work in Ministry of Finance, and we'll make sure that this idea is taken up. क्या करेंगे मैं नहीं कह सकता हूँ, but we will make sure that your voice reaches there. That is assured. That is absolute. All suggestions today that we are getting, we will be sending them both to Ministry of Finance and to Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. I will personally talk to Mr. Rajiv Patharudi and make sure that he at least knows about this problem. उसके बाद वो क्या करते हैं उनकी problem है, but he cannot say कि हमको पता नहीं था. That one excuse we will take away from the policymakers, that they didn't know about it. They know, they will know, and they will definitely know about this. Good point.
The design point that we need to make good photos, good videos, I would like to differ on that because I'm in a hardware startup. Because we guys need to do experimentation, right? We need, probably our videos are not so good, probably our photos are not so good, but we need to carry out those experiments to gather that information, to fill that information gap. And
yes, sir, don't take it otherwise. He's not saying that you make film quality videos, but if you want to convince somebody, either a designer or an investor or a mentor, and if you can't communicate what you are saying properly in few minutes, 2-3 minutes, then you lose the plot, you know. So that was the only point. It is not that you need to become a film producer, no.
The point is, because I'm myself making a proof of concept, right? And I approached a government official, and in fact me and Abhinav, we both approached. So what he said, ठीक है आप लोग अप्लाई कर दीजिए, बट ऐसा मत सोचिए कि मिल जाएगा नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि वो लोग कह रहे हैं कि आपका जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो टेक्निकल एक्सपर्ट के पास जाएगा, देन ही विल डिसाइड कि वो सक्सेसफुल होगा या नहीं, या वो मैंने उसे कहा कि सर हम प्रूफ ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट बना के देंगे आपको. अभी कोई टेक्निकल एक्सपर्ट दिल्ली में बैठा हुआ है, वो कैसे कह सकता है कि प्रूफ नहीं बनाया जा सकता? प्रूफ के लिए तो मैं पैसा उठा रहा हूँ ना. सो द पॉइंट इज आप पॉलिसी में कुछ ऐसा चेंज ला सकते हैं कि जिसमें कह दी जाए कि प्रूफ ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए आपको इतना टेक्निकल।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, देखो ऐसा होता है ऐसा नहीं, क्या नाम तुम्हारा?
विशाल।
हैं?
विशाल।
विशाल, ऐसा है that we have a very large network. When we give the Gandhian Young Technological Innovation Award, we get each entry reviewed by sometimes 4 or 5 evaluators, experts from IIT, NIT and MIT and Berkeley and all of them. Some of them are coming, Tapan is here, many of them have reviewed. Then not that whether it is successful in market, we only want to see technologically whether the concept is reasonable, not valid completely, reasonable. Because otherwise if you do not have technical consistency, we get so many entries about perpetual motion machine. अब उसको दे दें proof of concept के लिए? नहीं दे सकते ना भाई. But they are convinced. There are people who have spent 5 lakh, 10 lakh of their own personal savings in those projects. क्या करूँ बताओ, मैं उनको दे देंगे पैसा? नहीं दे सकते ना यार. तो इसलिए don't insist, don't ask that without scrutiny your proof of concept idea will be approved. Some technical scrutiny is called for. What we can do, however, and Hiranmay can ensure that all the technically complex ideas, we can get them scrutinized by the most empathetic professors of our country. From ISC, I am going there on 8th, I will be there. From ISC, from IIT, that we can ensure. So that when you send your proposal to somebody with a letter from IIT or ISC, they can't just throw it out like that. You know, that we can ensure. We are not certifying, but at least they will, their letter of their recommendation will make a difference.
Sir, I agree. The point is, more than technical feasibility, more than business feasibility, all entrepreneurs have certain belief, the element of belief.
Sahi hai.
Right. So when I go to a technical expert, so I was looking at your this NIF book and I found that low cost windmill. Actually, I am also working on low cost windmill, wind energy.
Right.
So I went to your NIF thing in Ahmedabad and I asked these guys कि इसका अभी status क्या है? They said नहीं पता नहीं है अभी हमको, हमने install करके छोड़ दिया.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं.
नहीं sir, नहीं just sir मेरे को
somebody has not informed you properly. 10 of them are working at the moment.
नहीं
40 did not work because the salt workers somehow are so poor that they can't even replace a nut and bolt. Sir. That was the problem, and it was difficult for us to put an engineer there forever. So first 2 years it was run through as resident engineer. After that, we realized that they will not be able to maintain it, but 10 of them at least are working. There are other which are not working because they have been rusted by the salt both in the wind and the water. Now to remove them somewhere else is also not possible. They have been so much worn out. They are of iron, but when they work very well. So I agree with you that at this moment only 10 are working, but the people with whom we are working, they probably couldn't have been expected to do more than that what they did.
So my only point is the people who are between funding and innovators, they have their technical beliefs, they have their say business analysis, that's okay, but they also they are not able to see it through. Innovators are with that idea, with that concept 24/7, they are able to see it through. So that element of belief has to be there.
I agree with you. That is a valid point, that unless, I mean, that is the first thing that anybody who has to invest in an idea will judge, whether or not you have belief in what you want to do.
Yes.
So that point is valid. Anybody else before we break for lunch? Yes.
Yeah. Sir, one point, like we said, we need to have platforms for CA, CS and lawyers. Now we are in the process of raising funds. That's the toughest. Issue ऐसा हो रहा है because when I consult a valuation expert, he charges exorbitantly. He charges around 2 lakhs, 1.5 lakhs and all. So everybody over here is they want money. So एक stage पे ऐसा आ जाता है, product develop हो गया, he's like वो earlier stage तक proof of concept. Now it's like product is there, everything is there. Now I want money. Investor is convinced, but बात ऐसी होती है कि he says your valuation is 1 crore, I say my valuation is 3 crores or 5 crores, let's say suppose. Then they get people, even though I'm an MBA and finance and all, but they get experts, they get huge kind of experts like equity research experts, 18, 20 years of experience and all, and they know all kind of jargons and they can fix you in numbers and all. So valuation experts are the communities where they are very rare people, I know if I can say so, but I would like such kind of people, if you could create platform.
That's a good point.
They could type, because we are stuck with the valuation things, because there are people who are ready to give me money, they want me to valuation of 2 lakhs, I am saying I will not come below 5 lakhs at any cost. 5 crores, 5 crores, it's like that. So they,
you know, what's your name?
Gaurav,
this question is very valid. I agree with you that so far as IP valuation is concerned, there are three different valuations. One is valuation of your competence as a person, that is the first. If you are a good person or not, are you going to stick to your business or not, are you a quitter or are you a persister, that is the valuation first. Second is valuation of your IP. Does it have an edge? Is it Me Too technology? What is the distinction that it is adding to the market, whether other products are there, other competitive products are there? How much is the fear of obsolescence? How long it will stay in the market? Will somebody else? Is it easy to copy? All those questions are related to IP valuation. The third, which is important, is your business model valuation, where your cash flows, your supply chain management, your margins, all of that will come. So, please understand that when they are valuing, you are valuing by a gut feeling, maybe you may not have the numbers to support 5 crore, maybe or maybe not, whereas when they are valuing, they will obviously try to be strict and be stringent about calculating all the 3 things, but let me listen to Amol.
So, the concept which we said that for the legal and the chartered accountant role, this in the business valuation, that particular center which we are starting can easily take care of that, because that's
no, but they are from different parts of the country. So, one of the need they have is that supposing somebody is in Mumbai, somebody is in Delhi, somebody is in Surat. How do we extend this support to them? I mean, after all, we are looking at a national policy. Yes. So, are we thinking that the association, the National Association of Chartered Accountants, can it create a small window when this country is trying to crave for Make in India and all of that, those kind of aspirations that are being raised by the government?
Yes.
You think that the council can come out with the possibility of a chapter, different chapters in different cities could do what you are planning to do here? Is it possible?
Yes. What I am thinking is that let us start off here,
okay,
right? And then we say we
once we do that, then we can
wherever the institutes are.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
We have gone through the process of incorporation and all. So on MCA's website, there's everything laid down. It's very nicely laid down. But you have to go through it, read and all. Then we as a non-CA or something like that, we feel that is there a lacuna? I mean, are we interpreting right things out of it? But if we hear from some professional that these are the things that we are need to do, incorporation to commencement certificate in this period of time and all. So by telephonic support, or if you provide some online domain,
I would suggest that people like Sharad and others who have incorporated so I mean, one of the idea is that unless some of the existing entrepreneurs who have gone through the hassle write down all the things that they went through and the way they managed reasonably well, legally managed all the processes, that will be helpful to new startup.
Yes, sir.
True.
That's it.
So that's even if you go through any CA or anything, it's not it doesn't. Yes, thank you. Yeah. So it's all about filling the numbers. You know how much you project and how much number you show. It's a kind of so even it's kind of they will be having their own forms.
So how did you arrive at it?
So it's all negotiation. It's hard negotiation.
I agree with you. I think all yes.
सर कंटिन्यूइंग टू हिज डिस्कशन कि जो टेक्निकल एक्सपर्टाइज होते हैं सर जी, देयर इज़ वन पर्सन कनेक्टेड टू मी वेरी वेल एंड उन लोगों ने सर हीट कलेक्शन एलिमेंट सोलर पे वर्क किया था. सो बट दे डिड हैव द फंड टू फाइल द पेटेंट एंड ऑल दैट, और उन लोगों को कुछ रिसर्च भी आगे करना था. सो दे वेंट टू गुज कॉस्ट, ओके, और उनके सामने उन लोगों को बताया कि उन लोगों को 3 बंदे के सामने एक उसका प्रेजेंट देना है. सर जी उन लोगों ने प्रेजेंटेशन किया और फिर तब वो तीनों में से कोई भी बंदा सोलर में से नहीं था टेक्निकली, ओके. तो फाइनल डिस्कशन में जिस जो बंदा प्रेजेंट कर रहा था, ही हैज़ डन हिज PhD एंड ही हैज़ ऑलरेडी अ पेटेंट, ओके. और उस बंदे को बोलते हैं कि यार तुम लोग तो वही चीज़ यूज़ कर रहे हो जो ग्लास हर कोई यूज़ करता है, ग्लास की जगह पे और कुछ लेके आओ तो हम आपको कुछ करके देंगे. एंड सर दैट हैज़ एन एक्सलेंट थिंग कि उन्होंने जो बनाया था उसके बाद हम लोगों ने उनके साथ वर्क करा, अभी काफ़ी अच्छा. बट उस टाइम पे ये सीन हुआ था हम लोगों के साथ.
No, I see a point that when the scrutiny is not made by the professional experts, if we don't constitute those panels and committees judiciously and with a sense of integrity, so that no startup has to suffer the ignominy of being judged by incompetent people, then lot of ideas will be killed because they are being evaluated against the wrong matrix or a wrong competence, ill-equipped people. I completely sense your feeling. My only suggestion is that in such cases, whatever we can do is expose them, appeal to their bosses, tell them to be more sensible, tell them that they are accountable. This age is of RTI. I mean, somebody will have to ask this question, somebody will have to report this question, on what basis did they constitute that panel for a solar system when person had no experience in solar. I mean, we have to bring accountability in the system, there is no way out, and we have to stick our neck out. If you want polite ways without struggling, without fighting the system, then I do not think we will get very good solutions. So, sometime we have to expose also. What do you lose after all? थोड़ा favor नहीं मिलेगा तो नहीं मिलेगा यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है इससे. I mean, I think everybody here who is there, and our students should particularly note these issues. I mean, we do a lot of projects, we do a lot of assignments. If you can highlight the pain point that we are listening to and upload those on your blog, your assignment, you understand? Coming from an IMA student, it gets a little more attention than anywhere else. Let us face it, let us accept it. You have a social capital accumulated over last 50 years. So, that social capital we can use to make the lives of some of the entrepreneurs and startups here easier. So, I would especially appeal to our students, both first and second year, that if you think that there are some of the issues which interest you as a professional, as a scholar, as a student, then take them up, maybe talk to 15 more people, find out the exact lacuna in that system, and then maybe make a case that look, the scrutiny of ideas in early stage is very critical, because if at that stage if you kill the idea or kill the spirit of the person, both are dangerous, and then next person will not have the courage to come up, because that fellow will talk to the PhD fellow and they get dissuaded. यार यहाँ ऐसे ही होता है काम, तुम्हारा कोई उम्मीद नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं चाहते. We don't want cynicism. So, we would like to have hope, optimism, and optimism will come out of the stories of those like you and others who have successfully overcome these constraints. I mean, many of you have overcome these constraints. You have done business, you have earned money. So, it is not that nothing is good is happening. A lot of good things are happening. We should try to build upon those good things and not spread cynicism. For every one such case, there may be 5 or 6 cases where somebody worked the system right. So, थोड़ा उसको भी balance करना पड़ेगा. Otherwise, cynicism is very easy to spread, and once cynicism is spread, it's infectious, it's viral. Optimism is not, but cynicism is infectious. You know, it infects people even they don't want to. So, cynicism is easy to spread. We will now break for lunch. We are ready, Hiranmay? We will come back at 2:15. 2:10 is the aim. We will at least start at 2:15 so that we save time. There are so many issues, we have covered about 5 or 6 more issues, very important issues to be discussed. Kindly come back in time.